We offer a wide range of services, whether it be full season maintenance or just an annual clean out to help protect your investment and make your water garden beautiful. This water garden down here has been neglected for a number of years. We have some new homeowners that reached out to us so that they could have us clean it and make it look beautiful again. So today we're going to be draining it down, power washing, removing some debris, getting it filled back up and running, and making it look beautiful like it used to be. You can tell at one time it was the pride of somebody's home and it just sort of fell by the wayside. So it'll be really nice to see it clean and clear and running beautifully again. So it's time for us to get to work, but I can't wait to show you what it looks like when we're finished. Annual cleanings are very important for the health and well-being of your pond. We have drained this pond, pressure washed, removed a ton of debris, and filled it back up to get it all up and running again. This client has probably gained 2 feet of depth with this whole process back to her pond, and she's very happy with the results. People have been trusting AQUA for over 35 years to get the job done right.